Hey guys, it's Kevin. Today I'm going to show you how to replace the printhead cables, the printhead FFC cables for Epson Artisan 1430. I already have another video show you how to take the cover off, and so I'm just going to post the video above. So if you don't know how to take the cover off, just refer to that video. Also in that video, I show you how to take this paper feeder or duplexer, take it off. So you do need to take that duplexer off. Again, in that video, I show you how to take this plate off. It's not completely in the way, but it's easier to do without it. Now take a permanent marker, and we need to mark those cables. Let's take another good look of those cables. And that loose one is the cable to the duplexer. So how about from the left, we'll go A, B, C, D, and then E, F, G. And we left the duplexer cable unmarked. We'll just leave it there. Okay, next thing is we're going to remove this black plate for the cable. It's hard to get a good angle for this. Okay, let me try. So the key is the whole plate can be slided out, and the plate is holding by this pin right in the front. You can see this one. You're gonna push it in, and then you're gonna slide. So I'm at the back. I go to the front, push that pin, and slide, and remove it. Now we're gonna remove the cable from the black plate. After remove it, and you can see the cable kind of go to two ways. One is in the hole, and then another cable you can just stay on the plate. I also have a video how to remove the printhead from the printer. So here I already removed the cable, the FFC cable from the printhead, and of course I'm going to put the link to the video above. So now you can take the cable out of that hole. Sometimes it's pretty hard to get the cable out, and I mean, if you get find too hard to uninstall, you can take the top plate off, and what you do is just take this bandage off, and then you can see there a line of screws. Just unscrew all of them, and this plate can be taken off. And now you can see why we replace it. It burned so bad that you can see a hole on it. To get a replacement cable, we can go to bchtechnology.com and go to printer parts, Epson, electronic board assembly, and on the left side you're going to see FFC flex cables. We're going to need this 13x2 and 9 pin for Epson 1390 and 1400, 1430. I'm also going to put a link above. 13x2 means that there are like two 13-pin cables. On the one side is come together, so it's 13 and 13. And once it reaches the motherboard, it's split into two cables. Once it reaches the motherboard, it's split into two 13-pin cables. Okay, next step is pretty intricate. So we're going to line up the old cable and the new cable, and follow the fold. So you do this way, and follow it again, and one more fold, and then now you know which one is D, which one is C, and take a permanent marker and mark D and C. Now the old bad printhead is out, and this new printhead is not just any new printhead. This new printhead has 1 year unconditional warranty. So anything wrong, I can just send it back and get my money back. Sounds too good to be true. Actually, you have to buy it correctly. So I have another video show you how to buy it, and you'll be able to get one of those printhead too. Okay, so you can see I get a 13x2 cable in. I got a 9-pin cable in. Again, check my previous video about how to install a printhead, and I'm also going to put a link on for the video below. Now we can get the cable through that hole and install the top plate that we took off. And now we can put the cables on the black plate, and then just put the black plate in the slot and then slide. We just simply connect the cable A, B, C, D, E, F, G according to the alphabet, and put this gray wire on the back of the black plate. Now we can put the bottom plate in and the duplexer in. Oh, one thing I want to mention is if you damage this, let's see, it's called a photo interrupter. There we go. You probably pull this whole thing out, and this little leg is very easy to get damaged. So if you have a problem with this, and just get a new one, and there are two of them. And also I have another video how to install this, but I don't know if I've got space for it. Just look in the comment section. The link should be there. Another tip is try it before you put the whole case back, so it'll save you some time to take the case away. Also, for the new printhead, you want to do 3 cleanings and then wait an hour, come back to do 3 more. If your nozzle check is still not perfect, and do like a 3 plus 3 the next day, so 6 cleanings. If it's still not perfect after 6 cleanings, you probably want to get your warranty, claim your warranty. Again, check my video, how can you buy a printhead with warranty. This printhead was bought by our client, so it's up to him if we want to claim the warranty or not. You can see it didn't print at all at the beginning, so probably he's going to be happy that he can print now. Okay, I hope you enjoyed this video. Visit us at www.bchtechnologies.com or locally at Greensboro, North Carolina. Cheers.